welcome to today's class. Today I will teach you how to raise a GCC supply invoice under VAT. First, let us see the types of invoices which can be raised under VAT. Different types of invoices. There are 6 types of invoices which can be raised under VAT. Tax invoice, retail invoice, margin scheme invoice, export invoice, invoice for GCC supply, exempt supply invoice. In this video, I will teach you how to raise a GCC supply invoice. Firstly, let us understand what a GCC supply is. Currently, only UAE and KSA have implemented VAT in their countries. When an export is made to these countries, the sale is at 0% subject to few conditions. Conditions for invoice for GCC supply. There are 2 conditions to be met for raising a GCC supply invoices. The customer should be registered with VAT authorities in his state. If he is not registered, he should be below the mandatory threshold. If any of these conditions are not met, then a normal tax invoice needs to be raised and the supply will be taxable. Let us see how to raise a GCC supply invoice using Reach accounting software. Click on Income in the top tab menu and choose Invoice. Click on Add Invoice. The first tab will prompt you to choose the type of invoice you choose to raise. Choose GCC Supply Invoice. The invoice voucher entry is divided into 3 sections. The first section allows you to fill the basic invoice details like currency, date, terms, and due date. The second section allows you to choose the products, description, quantity, and value. The final section allows you to enter set reminder for payment follow-up. Fill the details appropriately. Once done, you have 2 options to save the invoice. On saving the invoice, Reach software will automatically prepare the margin scheme invoice. As you see, the margin scheme invoice will not display taxes separately. The daybook, ledgers, trial balances, and financial statements are automatically posted and prepared. It will also auto-populate the relevant tax codes in the VAT form, so you will not have to prepare them manually later. Now, if you check the VAT report, you will see the appropriate section filled automatically. In case you have any further clarifications, please feel free to chat with our agents from the support chat inside your account. I hope you found this video useful. In the next video, I will teach you how to raise exempt supply invoice. Continue watching. Thank you.